Tired of spending hours cleaning your pool instead of enjoying it? Meet the PoolWhale Deluxe Swimming Pool Cleaning Kit, the ultimate all-in-one solution for both above-ground and in-ground pools. This kit includes everything you need: a 22-inch heavy-duty pool brush with a detachable corner brush to reach every edge, a 17.5-inch deep aluminum frame skimmer net to scoop out leaves and debris with ease, a 14-inch flexible vacuum head with wheels for smooth maneuvering, and a 13-foot adjustable pole that gives you the perfect reach for any pool size. Built with durable materials and a reinforced aluminum pole, this kit is designed to last season after season. The vacuum head's universal steering handle connects easily to standard 1.5 or 2 hoses, saving you time and energy. Plus, the medium mesh skimmer net captures debris without clogging or removing fine silt, perfect for quick, efficient cleaning. Whether you're maintaining a large in-ground pool or a compact above-ground pool, PoolWhale's kit is built to make pool care faster, easier, and hassle-free, so you can get back to what really matters: swimming. Take the stress out of pool maintenance. Upgrade to the PoolWhale Deluxe Cleaning Kit today.